Imagine waking up every morning to find your bank account has grown while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not only possible, it's achievable through the power of dividend investing. Today, we're diving deep into the art of building a dividend portfolio that not just grows, but flourishes, turning your financial dreams into reality. Stay tuned as we unfold the secrets to creating a source of passive income that could potentially transform your life. In the world of investing, dividends are often seen as the holy grail of passive income. The allure of earning money without actively working for it has drawn many to the realm of dividend investing. But, as with any investment strategy, the path is fraught with potential missteps and myths that can derail even the most diligent investor. As we venture into the intricacies of constructing a monster dividend portfolio, it's essential to understand that this journey begins with the seeds you plant today. Choosing the right mix of dividend-yielding stocks is akin to cultivating a garden. It requires patience, foresight, and a bit of know-how. The cornerstone of a robust dividend portfolio lies in its ability to grow and adapt. Investing in companies with a history of increasing their dividends is like planting perennials. They provide returns year after year. However, the allure of high dividend yields can be misleading. It's like being drawn to a plant that blooms brightly but once, leaving nothing but foliage for the rest of the season. Here's where many investors stumble. They chase the highest yields without considering the health and growth potential of the underlying business. It's crucial to look beyond the immediate gratification of high yields and focus on companies with sustainable growth, solid fundamentals, clear path to increasing dividends over time. Midway through our journey, if you're finding value in this exploration of dividend investing, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button. Join the CashOps community as we navigate the complexities of building wealth through smart investing. The real magic of dividend investing unfolds when you reinvest your dividends, allowing the power of compounding to accelerate your portfolio's growth. Think of it as reinvesting in your garden, using the fruits of your labor to plant more seeds, expanding your garden's bounty with each passing season. However, the path is not without its pitfalls. A common trap many fall into is over-diversification. Spreading your investments too thin can dilute your returns and make your portfolio unwieldy. Imagine trying to tend to a garden so vast you can't properly care for all your plants. Instead, focus on cultivating a select group of high-quality stocks that promise growth and stability. As we tread further, remember, the key to a prosperous dividend portfolio is not just in selecting the right stocks, but in nurturing them. Regularly review your portfolio, weed out the underperformers, and give more room to the stars to grow. It's a process of continuous learning and adjustment. Reflecting on lessons and applying them to forge ahead stronger. In the realm of dividend investing, patience is not just a virtue, it's a necessity. The most fruitful portfolios are often those given time to grow. Undisturbed by the whims of market fluctuations. Like a seasoned gardener knows not to dig up their plants to check on the roots constantly. Wise investors trust in the process, giving their investments time to mature. As we conclude our journey today, remember that building a lucrative dividend portfolio is not about chasing after the biggest yields or spreading your investments too thin. It's about strategic selection, patience, and growth. If today's insights have sparked a new interest or added to your knowledge, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to CashOps for more enlightening content on making your money work for you. Together, let's build not just wealth, but financial freedom. Until next time, keep investing, keep growing, and let your portfolio do the hard work for you.